Net surfing, the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy, is called net surfing. Like the surfer of the water sport rides the waves towards the shore by going with the flow, similarly the net surfer surfs the ocean of knowledge, internet, by simply following the links. A link can be a highlighted text, a button, or an image. When we move the cursor over a link, the cursor changes to hand-shaped pointer. Clicking the link takes us to a web page in the website or to a different website. Okay, let me share the fact. Mark McGahill coined the phrase, surfing the net. Search engine. What will you do if you have to find a particular chapter in a book? You will see the index, find out the page number, and then directly open that page. Similarly, to look for any information on the internet, search engines can be used. A search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. It requires a user to enter a keyword related to the information to be searched and displays the search results in the form of a list of links to the pages on which the keywords are found. Examples of search engine are Google, www.google.com, Bing, www.bing.com, Yahoo, www.yahoo.com. To find information on the search engine, connect to the internet and use the desired browser. Open any search engine, example, Google. Type a few keywords related to the information you want to search, for example, Cartoon Network, and click on the search button. It will display a list of websites which have the relevant information. Read the provided information and click on the link you consider the most appropriate. The website will open. Students, do you know Larry Page right and Sergey Brin left are the founders of Google? Students, let us understand about the basic requirements for an internet connection. To connect your computer with internet, you need the following hardware and software. Modem. Depending upon the choice and preferences, a user can have an external, internal, or PC card modem. An external modem remains outside the computer. It is a box-like structure which is connected to the computer through USB port. On the other hand, an internal modem comes pre-installed in the computer. PC card modems are specifically designed for portable computers. They are roughly the size of a credit card. The speed of a modem is measured in bps, that is bits per second. An internet connection. An internet connection is a service which an internet service provider, ISP, provides in exchange for a fee. This service is a must for accessing internet. Telephone line. It is a medium that is used to connect the computer to an internet service provider. Beside this wired medium, wireless medium, for example air, is also used for the data transmission. Web browser. It is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. Students know the fact. Emoticons. Internet users invented emoticons, a combination of the terms emotion and icons, a sequence of keyboard characters that symbolize facial expressions, etc. look like a smiling face when you look at it sideways. Let us now talk about web browser and its parts. Google Chrome is one of the most popular and widely used web browsers developed by Google. You can open it either by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop or select the Start, then All Programs, then Google Chrome. Back. Clicking on this button takes you back to the previous page that you have already visited. Forward. Clicking on the Forward button will take you to the page that you were on before you press the Back button. To view the next pages in a serial order, click on the Forward button. Reload this page. Clicking on this button will reload the most recent version of the current page. Bookmark this page. This option allows the user to store and organize a chosen website so that one can revisit them whenever needed. New tab. Clicking on this button allows you to open a web page in a new tab. You can also open a link in a new tab by right-clicking on the link and selecting the Open Link in New Tab option. Customize and control Google Chrome. Clicking on this button will display a drop-down menu with several options to customize and control the Google Chrome settings. Some of these options are: Print. Clicking on this option prints a copy of the web page you are viewing. History. This option displays a list of websites you visited recently. Zoom. The zoom option allows you to increase or decrease the size of the content of a web page. Click on the plus symbol to zoom in the page, and to zoom out the page, click on the minus symbol. Click on the screen symbol to select the full screen mode. More tools. Clicking on this option provides different options like Save Page As, Clear Browsing Data, Task Manager, etc. Okay, let me share the fact. Press F11 to enter and exit full screen mode in Google Chrome. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. A network that connects different computers with each other is known as the computer network. When the computer networks are joined together, they form a bigger network called Internet. www refers to a network of sites on the Internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animation, and videos. A web page is a digital page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. The first page of a website is called the home page. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as the Uniform Resource Locator (URL). ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. It offers the use of Internet in exchange for a fee. ISPs provide you two types of connections: dial-up and broadband. The act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called net surfing. A search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. To connect your computer with Internet, you need the following hardware and software: modem, an Internet connection, telephone line, and web browser.